Hey guys, Lance, the investing teacher and option teacher here. I'm going to go over the SRX plays today. Had 3 good trades off it. This is what I posted at 12:01 Central. Notice that there are multiple bounces off the R1 resistance. So in SRX, you get your levels at 8:50 Central, 9:50 Eastern. And you can see the R1 level. We hit it, bounce down, hit it, bounce down, hit it a third time. So I decided to buy puts here. Waited till this candle. I bought 684 puts at 0.63, and then I sold it right away for 0.72. Was it this one? That was a different one. Let's see. And that was a different one. I took that one. If you look at the Trade Lab Post Your Profits, 0.63 bought, 3 contracts, sold for 0.72, and it happened in about 2 minutes. Then, yet another one happened. Let me see if I can find it. Here. Then it went to the S1 support. Notice in the arrows, touched the support, bounced up, touched the support, bounced up, touched the support a third time. So I bought 681 calls here, 0.61, took it up to 0.68. And that was a really quick trade. That was about 20 seconds or so. That was one here. Bought 3 contracts, 0.61. Sold for 0.68. I actually took a third one. I didn't post it here. It's in the levels chat. And you can see that we were all talking about these. I took a third one, 0.63 to 0.72. That only took 17 seconds to make over 10%. So 3 really good scalps. All I did was use the S1 support and the R1 resistance. It's been hugging these levels really well today, and I just waited until it hit R1, bought puts, waited until it touched S1, bounce up, bought calls. So really good levels today. It is pinpoint accurate in terms of hitting these levels multiple times. Pretty straightforward trades. There were no actual alerts that came up during it. I was just following the trades and taking it. So if you're interested, every day we get new levels. Again, 8:50 Central Standard Time, and you just post them onto your trading view and then trade off it. Have a really strong community of a lot of like-minded scalpers and swing traders here, and we do these daily review videos to help you guys out. So if you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section down below, or join the SRX levels. I'll see you guys on the next one.